Dayton Audio has an all-new hybrid tube amplifier. The HTA100 is a powerful amplifier that not only includes subwoofer options and a USB DAC for computers, but with 100 watts, it delivers a powerful sound that's perfect for large living rooms and listening spaces. Plus, the backlit VU meters make it a striking centerpiece in any room. With buttons on the front, you can access all available sources, including Bluetooth, coaxial, optical digital inputs, as well as line and phono RCA inputs, which includes a preamp and ground hookup for turntables. You can even customize the output further with the built-in tone knobs. Get the HTA100 for your home today.